this video I'm going to show you how to print the password of your HP NY6420E printer and how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning if you do not have home or office Wi-Fi network. Now the first thing is to press and hold the information button until all the lights are on. Now press and hold the information button and cancel button once. It will send a command for the printer to print Wi-Fi direct page. In this page we have to look for the Wi-Fi direct name and password. So you will see that is here. The name of the printer series and its password is here. Now go to your phone, Android phone, iPhone, and open the Wi-Fi settings. And in the Wi-Fi settings, refresh the Wi-Fi network list and you should be able to see direct NY6400 series. Select it. Enter the password as written in the printer sheet and click on the connect button. It is connected. Next thing is to simply go to your HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store. And here we have to add the printer. Click plus button on the top. On the next screen you should be able to see your HP NY6400 series. Select it. Instantly it will add up the printer and we are ready to use it. From here you can start the wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can quickly find the password and we can use this printer for wireless printing and scanning if you do not have any internet connection or Wi-Fi connection at your home. Thanks for watching.